and welcome to channel. I am Alex and you are watching Balkan Car Habits. As I said, standard here is not that good. $400 to $500 per month is standard monthly salary here. So we are going tonight to see what cars people driving here. In my town is some kind of car meet, but I don't think there will be a lot of cars because it's not planned car meet. So let's see how cars looks like here. Let's go on the video.
You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's
get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. I'll come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh, this time I wanna take it slow. I don't need my phone. I know how to picture in my mind the nights with you. need a muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, or we would let it go, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come.
And that was all for today's video. I just getting finished editing that video, and I must proudly say this video was sponsored by Balkan Car. Yes, thank you for letting me get footage of your cars and pictures. I hope you like this video and enjoyed it. If you do, share, like, subscribe. Ljudi, hvala vam još jednom. Žao mi je što nije bilo više ljudi, ali nekom sljedećom prilikom da napravimo još neki lepi uspeh. Thanks for watching. Until next video, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hey, I see money, I see bitches in a Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre.